Hi guys, in this video we will clean the car interior with our own hand. Laser interior is a distinctive feature of rich vehicle trim levels. Laser not only looks beautiful and responsible, but also with practical in use. It's much easier to whip off a drop of ice cream or spilled drink from it than from fabric or velour. And the traditional disadvantage of laser freezing in winter and strong heating in summer are limited by heating seats, perforation and ventilation. However, the laser interior requires regular and methodical maintenance, otherwise the coating quickly coarses, cracks and loses its appearance. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Cleaning the laser interior always begins with vacuuming. If you immediately start rubbing with a cloth or brush on the skin, then fine grains of sand accumulated in the folds will scratch the surface. Therefore, stocks up on a car vacuum cleaner powered by onboard 12 volts with it. You can clean the cabin, even in the yard, without an external source of electricity. Next, we move on to wet cleaning with the help of special auto cosmetic, a skin cleaner, which will not only remove surface impurities, but also cleanse the pores of the skin. For cleaning accessories, you will need a microfiber cloth and a shoe brush with soft bristlets. Rough rags or paper towel will not work as they may scratch your skin. It's strictly forbidden to whip stain of the skin with white spirit, acetone and other strong solvent. You will ruin the coating. Forced to burn dirt and stains, use a foam laser cleaner and a brush with gentle circular motion and patterns. You can clean even deep stained green. Most laser cleaners can be applied directly to the surface. By check the label for instruction. Aerosol cleaner are sometimes recommended to be sprayed into a brush. If the skin is heavily dirty and greasy, let the cleaner absorb for a little, no longer than a minute, and then rub. Don't try to cleanse the entire bag or sit at once. Work methodically on small areas. For aesthetic pleasure, you can mentally or rarely, with the help of masking tape, divide the chair into two parts and compare them after cleaning the first. The result will be very visual and motivating. After using the cleaner, the skin must be perforated with a special composition, laser conditioner or creme waxing. Lanolin, animal wax obtained from sheep wool, is obtained into the skin, must using and maintain elasticity, and silicone protect from pollution. Then skin stays clean longer and the easier to clean. Also, laser conditioner protected from ultraviolet radiation, preventing fading, drying, and cracking. In addition to regular once every 3 months cleaning and conditioning with air conditioner, proper operating is also needed to keep the laser interior in perfect condition. Here are some helpful tips on how to extend the life of your car's skin. Wear upholstery, safe clothing. If you are wearing a leather jacket, be sure to take it off before getting in the car. Don't rub skin against skin. Lovers of leather pants and skirts should buy a seat cover, otherwise the leather will quickly wear out. Also avoid clothes with sharp metal elements, bangs, fasteners, decorative tags, all of which can damage the skin. Protect interior from sun and overheating. The sun and heat are the main enemies of the skin. Avoid overheating the interior. Park the car in the shade. Leave the windows slightly open. And use sun blind for a long period of time. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.